Chainlink is looking to make another big jump upwards, and we have seen Chainlink really outpace the market here. And we've seen it come up to about the $20 level. We're going to talk about where we could see Chainlink going next. This is one of those cryptos, in my opinion, very low risk as we head into this next bull run. I think it has a $100 upside. I'm not alone in that prediction. If you remember back in 2021, we talked about Chainlink. It's an infrastructure play. Many people thought it would go higher than it did back in 2021. Still very undervalued here at $20. We got up over 50 in the last cycle, but now Chainlink doing many more things, and it's on many more people's radar as we head into this next crypto bull run. And we're going to talk about what some of the analysts think here for the next price target. I've been accumulating Chainlink. I let my Patreon members know when I just recently bought some around $17. There's a reason why I bought some at $17 too, as you guys can see right here on screen. I'm using a trading indicator. It's called XT Algo. It's my indicator that allows me better entry points into crypto for my long-term holds. And this right here was all I needed to see. A big momentum up that we saw back on February 1st to start the month. And in the last 17 days since that indicator fired, we are up 17%. And I'm glad I added to my position there at $17 because now we're up over 20 with our sights set on a much higher target. But in the short term, we're looking at a potential leap up to 23, and that is based on a traditional bullish pattern that we're going to take a look at. It is a flag pattern, which usually signals a temporary pullback, but then usually after that, we see a nice burst. So in late January, Link witnessed a significant price rebound, climbing from a support level of around $13.60 to achieve a 53% increase within a month as it peaked out at $20.85. We could take a look right now, $20.02 at the time of this recording. But resistance at this peak caused a price correction back down to 19, and now we're slowly coming back up. A notable on-chain activity reported by Look On-Chain reveals that 83 new wallets potentially linked to a single entity have withdrawn some of their Link tokens worth approximately $216 million from Binance in the past 2 weeks. Usually when we see this, obviously, it could create a little bit of a selling cascade, if you will. This movement of Chainlink tokens could signal a strategic accumulation, though, hinting at a potential price rally. So this could be interesting as it opens the door for new buyers to come in. And again, 83 fresh wallets may belong to the same institution who withdrew a total of 11 million Link from Binance in the past 2 weeks. Now we could be looking at, Link making a next big push upwards. And if we take a look at a breakout from its current value, we could be looking at a price target of around $23. We're taking a look at, a couple indicators here. If we go back into the charts here, take a look at Link. There it is. Had to look for it there for a second. If we zoom out a little bit on the 1 day, we can see here that price targets upwards here in like the $23 range would be our next target. We have not been up here, guys, in a really, really long time. We have to go all the way back to late 2021 and into 2022, which is pretty crazy in order to get back into these levels. It's been a long time coming for Chainlink, but when you really zoom out, take a look at this thing holistically. Let's go ahead and look at the week. Chainlink has been just a really nice asset to hold throughout bear markets, right? Yeah, we topped out up over $50, came back down to $5, and since then we have like 4x from there, but just the all chart looks really, really strong. And I think Chainlink is finally coming into its own. People are gaining more and more insight into why it's such a big infrastructure play. But on the weekly time frame, obviously now this is zooming out a little bit. We could see here we're working on a bar right now from way back into 2022, that weekly bar that, we were up there at $25. It wicked all the way down to 14. So this was a big sell-off right here. This was a big point of emphasis that we were looking at. This was a big weekly candle, big selling weekly candle. We're looking to kind of reverse that pattern now as obviously the markets have flipped, and we are looking for some explosive growth here. This is kind of what we were talking about. Chainlink bulls brace for explosive growth following 216 million whale accumulation. Again, staggering 83 separate wallets, setting the token price on a nice trajectory upwards. So we're bouncing off of this most recent resistance, and we're looking to make a nice push upwards. And again, we could see a $23 target here in the short term based on some of the technical indicators that we have at our disposal. So we'll be keeping tabs on this. I appreciate you guys, as always, for checking in. And of course, if you guys want to know next time the indicator fires, you can sign up today using XT Algo for as cheap as $37 a month. It's using discount code X down below in the description. And we do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. My team that I have working on this with me will fully refund you if you choose. But I'm telling you guys, give it a try today. Links down below. You're not going to be disappointed. It is working for hundreds of people. I can't wait until I can say thousands of people in this upcoming bull run, because we've got an indicator that's the cheapest out on the market that works with crypto and stocks. Links down below for that. And real quick, before we get up on out of here, do want to tell you about a special offer that I've got. If you plan on going to any conferences this year, if you want to go to the ETH Toronto conference out there in Toronto, August 13th and 14th, I'll be out there. I'm an official media partner this year. Was my first time attending last year, but because I'm going to be an official media partner this year, they're offering all of my listeners and viewers out there a 25% off coupon code. When you check out, just put in there Zach25 and you'll get 25% off at checkout if you guys want to come out to Toronto. Can't wait to meet a lot of you out there at ETH's conference. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you think about Link right now, too. I think it's still a sleeping giant, really looking strong on the charts, and we got some new whale activity that is certainly bullish. We'll see you.